Let's do some critical thinking here for a second. The cost of a Lamborghini Veneno supercar, $4.5 million. The cost of Johannes Vermeer's Girl with a Pearl Earring, $30 million. The cost to manufacture one high-class United States Air Force cargo plane, $290 million. The estimated selling price of Cezanne's card players, $300 million. The cost of the Large Hadron Collider at CERN, $6.4 billion, yet the estimated worth of Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa is priceless. There's something interesting going on here. These are marvels of human engineering and technology, yet for each example, there's an equally valuable work of art that you can associate with it. This stuff is literally just globs of color on a canvas, yet we hold it with the same practical equivalence as the tools with which we use to wage war and discover new breakthroughs. But why? What is it about our books, our movies, our music, our paintings and sculptures that is so important? What is it about the elegance of a Van Gogh painting, the majesty of a Hitchcock film, and all music that inspires people to live, to learn, and to love? Perhaps the value of our art lies in its very essence. You see, art is consistent. Sure, it has historical periods and trends, but it remains consistent in that it defines us. It describes our past as a race, it describes our hopes for our future as a race, and all in all, it will always remain definitive of human beings. Think of it like this: our technology, that's all going to fade into oblivion. Our cars, our medicine, our planes, anything you can think of that is technologically based will at some point be obsolete. But our art has always defined us as a people. It has always defined us as who we are and what our place is among the stars. So what if an alien race came and visited Earth many years after we're gone? Well, they would find lots of tech, but let's be honest, it would be totally meaningless to them because by that point all of our tech would be totally obsolete. But what would they think of our art? Odds are they'd have no idea what it was or why it was so meaningful to us. They would have no idea why this stuff was so precious to us and why it truly defined us as a people. You see, I've always thought of art as being imperative to answering the second question of human progress. The first we've been answering since our origin, and that's how to do things, right? I mean, our technology has allowed us to answer this for all of human history. But what about the second question? What about why we do things? There's something about our art that serves to answer that particular question. So you see, why is a tricky question, but our art, it's able to reach across time. It exposes humanity to the threads of eternity. It shows the universe, who we are, everything from love, compassion, greed, war, violence, jealousy, and friendship, left out for only the universe to judge. Yes, I believe in the power of art, and I believe that art matters.